New Beginnings Credit Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this New Beginnings Credit Review, where I'll provide an in-depth look at this credit repair service and share my usage experience. Links to the product are available in the description below for your convenience. New Beginnings Credit is designed for individuals looking to take control of their financial future and achieve a fresh start with their credit. Whether you've been impacted by past financial missteps, need help disputing inaccurate credit report entries, or want to improve your credit score for future opportunities, this service aims to guide you step by step. One of the standout features of New Beginnings Credit is its personalized credit repair strategy. The process starts with a thorough credit report analysis to identify negative, inaccurate, or unverifiable items. These may include outdated information, erroneous late payments, or duplicate accounts. The team then creates tailored dispute letters and communicates directly with credit bureaus and creditors to address these issues. Another highlight is their educational approach. New Beginnings Credit provides clients with resources to better understand the factors impacting their credit, such as payment history, credit utilization, and account age. This knowledge empowers users to make informed decisions and maintain good credit habits long after the repair process is complete. The service is also praised for its transparent pricing and clear communication. Clients are provided with detailed breakdowns of fees, so there are no surprises. Regular updates ensure you're always informed about the progress of your credit repair journey, which builds trust and keeps you motivated. New Beginnings Credit also offers supportive customer service, making it an excellent choice for those who value guidance and accessibility. Their team is available to answer questions, provide updates, and help you navigate the complexities of credit repair with ease. If you're ready to take a proactive step toward improving your credit and achieving your financial goals, New Beginnings Credit could be the solution you're looking for. Check out the links in the description to learn more and start your journey to better credit today.